Good start to the qualifying journey. Tanzania, who were held to a 1-1 draw at home by Lesotho, are third on the log, while Cape Verde are rock bottom, having garnered no points. And staying on with football, the new AFC Leopards head coach Dorian Marine says he's ready to take the club back to its glory days. Marine, who took over from Stuart Hall, says it's a sin for clubs such as the Leopards to go trophyless for such a long period.
Dorian Marine is the sixth manager in as many years to take charge of the Den, seeking to deliver the Leopards to the promised land of a Kenya Premier League title after almost 2 decades of waiting. The Romanian was hired after Englishman Stuart Hall left mid-season, leaving the Leopard with only 15 points and a 12th position on the log.
For Marine, because he has coached in Eritrea, Uganda and Ghana, so he understands African football.
Always I'm targeting the best. And I'm working to get the best out. As you know, football it's not tennis.
But will Marine follow the trend set by former coaches by serving short stints?
Building the team, and I'm very sure now this coach is going to stay with the team.
Expecting that one day will come when I can prove the people in Leopard how football should be done from the coaching side.
The former Eritrea and Uganda Revenue Authority coach says the level of Kenyan football has changed compared to earlier years.
Leaving East Africa 9 years ago, the level is still low. I mean tactically, and that's organization of the game.
Marine says he's ready to bring a new style of football that will see FC Leopards prosper after acknowledging the talent that he has in the Den.
As my track record, it's saying it's a winning way, even with minus.
With Ingwe currently on the 12th position on the log, Marine confidently feels that his team can move to the top 5 at the end of the season.
I'm working to win all the matches. Even many times it looks as impossible. And I try